In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve WordPress SEO. Elevating your website's search engine optimization is crucial for achieving higher visibility and attracting more visitors. Fortunately, the WordPress platform offers some powerful tools to help you fine-tune your site's SEO effectively. Let's delve right into it. The first step on our journey towards enhanced WordPress SEO is installing a dedicated SEO plugin. Why, you might ask, is this step so transformative? Well, these plugins simplify a vast range of technical tasks, giving you a more manageable and user-friendly interface to oversee your on-page SEO. There's no need to feel overwhelmed by the jargon or complex coding. Most plugins take care of all of that under the hood. One of the most recommended plugins is Yoast SEO. With its incredible reputation as a comprehensive solution, Yoast SEO stands out by guiding users through the different aspects of on-page SEO with its handy checklist. It's like having a mini SEO expert right at your fingertips, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Now that you have your plugin in place, let's talk about optimizing your on-page content. Imagine each page or post as a potential beacon for new visitors. To make the most of this, pay careful attention to how each one is optimized for its target keywords. Your SEO plugin, like Yoast, can significantly aid you in refining these elements. Begin by selecting a focus keyword. This is the singular term or phrase that encapsulates the essence of your page or post. Keeping your focus laser sharp helps search engines understand what your content is all about. Next, turn your attention to the meta title and description. These elements aren't just formalities. They're your chance to make a first impression. Your plugin will typically provide dedicated fields where you can edit these with ease. Strive to craft a compelling, keyword-rich title that is under 60 characters, something that grabs attention. Pair it with a descriptive meta description, ideally under 160 characters, to encourage clicks and engagement. In addition, pay attention to the structure of your headings. Use an H1 tag for your main post title. This signals its importance. To properly organize your content, use H2 and H3 tags for subheadings. Not only does this make your content more digestible for readers, but it also aids search engines in navigating and indexing your page more effectively. With these tools and techniques, you're well equipped to enhance your WordPress SEO, driving more traffic and increasing your site's visibility. Remember, consistency is key, and each improvement you make compounds over time. Stick with these best practices, and you'll see the benefits unfold. Thank you for watching, and happy optimizing.